In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer from PayPal to Binance. Because direct transfers from PayPal to a Binance wallet aren't supported due to regulatory and chargeback risks, we'll use two practical workarounds: Binance's P2P marketplace or moving the money through your bank before funding your Binance account. Let's start with the P2P route, which is usually the quickest. Log into Binance, open the P2P section and choose Buy. Select USDT or the cryptocurrency you want, then filter the payment methods to show sellers who accept PayPal. Pick a seller with a strong track record. Look for at least a 95% completion rate, plenty of completed orders, and recent activity. Enter the amount you want to purchase and read the seller's payment instructions carefully. Follow their directions exactly, including any reference they ask you to include. Send the PayPal payment, then return to Binance and mark the order as paid. Your crypto is held in escrow, so when the seller confirms payment, the USDT will automatically release to your Binance wallet, often within a few minutes. You can verify the release by checking your wallet balance. A few tips to keep this smooth and safe: start with a small test amount until you're comfortable, and double check the time limit on the order so you pay within the window. Communicate only through the Binance order chat to keep a clear record. Expect a small spread or fee from the seller, typically up to around 2%, plus standard Binance trading fees. Never share sensitive information. Payment confirmation is all that's needed. Availability of PayPal accepting sellers can vary by region and time of day, so if you don't see options immediately, try again later or consider the alternative method. If P2P PayPal sellers are limited in your area, use the bank transfer alternative. Withdraw your funds from PayPal to your linked bank account. Standard withdrawals can take 1 to 3 days and are usually free, while instant withdrawals arrive faster for a small percentage fee. Once the money lands in your bank, go to Binance, choose deposit, select bank transfer or card as available in your country, enter the amount, and fund your fiat wallet. From there, buy USDT or your preferred crypto at current market rates. This avoids P2P counterparty risk, though you'll trade speed for predictability. To minimize costs, deposit in the same currency as your bank to avoid extra conversion fees. Availability and fees vary by location, so always check the payment methods supported in your region. For users in the United States, note that while PayPal offers its own crypto features, you still can't send that crypto directly to Binance. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PayPal tips and tutorials.